Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around, allowing you to see this charger up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This is the 2017 edition, of course. Stock number is 6776. Take notice of the exterior condition. I love those rims and tires. No rips, no tears, no stains, no dings, no dents. You're not going to find a flaw on this vehicle. Absolutely in impeccable condition. This virtual video walk around will allow you to see that this vehicle has been well maintained. It has had a 150-point vehicle inspection. It does have Bluetooth capability, heated seats, four-wheel disc brakes, and ABS braking system. Take notice of the interior condition. Fully powered, fully loaded, low miles. She will not last long. For more information on this charger or any other chargers in our inventory, because we have quite a few, either call us, text us, or email us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you, shake your hand, and possibly earn your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. This is Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.